Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds SHOKZ OpenRun Pro 2 Mini available on your Android device? So I already installed and set up the application what SHOKZ offer for the earbuds. And if we open it, so firstly trying to find your earbuds, and if it cannot, right here we can check supported devices for this application, so you need to click connection help, and right here we have it. So firstly we have OpenFit series, but it's not our earbuds, so we need to scroll down, and right here we have OpenRun Pro 2, so this is our model. And my short answer is yes, the application available for your earbuds. Now, if you don't know how to install and set up this application or how to add these earbuds to the app, you can check a video at this channel. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!